So back where we were there, just the holidays and everything like that, man. You know, family, working a lot, all that came up. So, you know, YouTube is going to take a back seat for that. But you might be asking why I'm out riding in the rain right now when it's a whopping, well, it's actually 50 some degrees out now, so that's not too bad. It literally just cleared off. If you look over there, you can see the storm front moving over the mountains and everything. But the reason that I'm out today is one of my friends who has been on this channel before. Him and I, back in the early, well, last year, the early part of this channel, him and I did a dual vlog, which was met with like pretty much no success at all. Nobody knew of the channel, and still not really too many people know of the channel anyway. So, you know, make sure to press subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and since apparently all my subs dropped off, I don't know why. I don't know if it's just because of inactivity, people unfollowing me, or how that goes. Stick around, man. Like, I don't like post like just, you know, random little dumb things. I try to put some thought into videos and everything like that. So it's not like just spam, you know, it's not just always binging that I've posted something. Or maybe you guys just don't like my content, one of the two. Maybe you just watch it for the ride reviews and that's it. You don't care about my personal vlogs and stuff. Oh, I love this road. It's so crappy. But yeah, hit subscribe. You know, come on, like some videos. Get me out there if you think I'm good, if you think I'm halfway decent. But the reason, somebody know, the reason that I'm out riding today is half on two wheels. Back in my earlier days with the channel, him and I did a dual vlog. And it was actually kind of funny. I downloaded some app on my phone and we called each other, and I recorded the call, and I was having to sync it up instead of, you know, running the mic and everything like that, like I am now. So it was like a phone call conversation the entire time, which is interesting to say the least. The audio quality was crap. I mean, it's not much worse than it is right now, I'm sure. I need to figure out my mic situation, since I seem to have a ton of wind noise, even with it tucked into the cheek pad, and a windscreen on the mic. So who knows? But anyway, half on two wheels. He is looking at getting a FZ09, MT09. You know, they're interchangeable. He's looking at getting one, and he's going over here to Wayne's from where he lives, which is like over an hour away, to test ride one. But he's not sure if he wants the MT09 or if he would rather just get the FZ07 like I've got. So I told him, hey, if the weather's okay, which it is now, I was like, I'll ride over there and let you ride mine too. You know, because I've been actually looking at the MT09 maybe as a next bike. Just not sure if I want to go that route or if I want to go more for the super sport route. Speaking of which, Wayne's was kind enough to let me ride that ZX10R that they have in. Brand new. I put the first mile on it in the parking lot, doing figure eights to scrub something into the tires at least. And I thought I wanted a liter bike, and don't get me wrong, I still want a liter bike. I definitely still want a liter bike. I had just never ridden a liter bike before, and I found out how freaking violent they are when you light into them. And honestly, I don't think I would enjoy it right now at this point. It would just not be something I would enjoy. And it's not that the bike wasn't fun. God, the bike was freaking amazing. Oh, 3 cats. Yay. 3 cats in a hay bale. But no, it's not like the FZ was, or FZ, the ZX10R was not a fun bike, because God, it was. I just don't think I would enjoy it on the simple fact of, I would never get to, like, truly utilize the bike. At least at this point right now. Like, that bike seriously humbled me a lot. Which is saying something, because I'm, alright, so we're all passing. Awesome. Which is saying something, that bike scared the ever-loving crap out of me. When your front end is coming up at 75 miles an hour in second gear because the power's come on, and you're just feathering the rear brake to try to keep it down, yeah, it was fun, but yeah, I don't need that right now. Definitely don't need that right now. So I'm actually looking at the MT-09 also. Maybe a ZX6. If I go sport bike, it's going to be a ZX6. I've ridden them. I love the body positioning of it. I mean, you can check out my like personal vlog video cruise around on Chaser 44's bike, and you'll see my impressions of the bike and everything. Yeah, wheel spin.
I just want the rings like a ring. I just want the bling like a ring. Pulling up a foe in a drink. Rolling up the gas in the game. Yeah. I just want the rings like a ring. I just want the bling like a ring. Pulling up a foe in a drink. Rolling up that gas in the game, yeah. I'm just out here, 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 I'm just
Good Lord, this glare is unreal. Oh, and before anybody asks why I love all the bikes that I test ride here, it's because I really do like them a lot. I like all bikes. There's not one particular bike that I hate. So it's not like, I mean, yes, I'm trying to sell stuff for Wayne's too, but it's not like they're paying me to rant and rave about bikes and how awesome they are.
I eat protein, so plants have protein. Couldn't let that one go.
I know, right? I love giving her a hard time about being vegan.
She said something, and she said, "I hope you don't mind." And I said, "As long as you don't mind taking it back." Yeah.
think he likes it. I think he likes it a lot. And I started him out in B mode, so, you know, and traction control's all the way on since we are on a brand new $10,000 bike there that's that doesn't have really any miles on it and on wet roads. So big thanks go to Wayne Cycle for letting him ride this thing in non-prime non-prime conditions. How is it?
Really nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you still in B mode?
Yeah.
We'll go to standard just to cruise around here, see the throttle difference, and then we'll put it in A for the ride back. Just be ready to cover that rear brake. Can you feel the difference in standard?
Yeah.
Like throttle response?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll go into A mode when we stop down here. Like I said, just cover the rear brake because it's gonna... Alright, so you'll hit your mode button, then go to A. Alright, like I said, just be ready to cover it. Crack on it a little. So how's A mode?
Wow.
Wow. Big difference, huh?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Second gear was still.
Yes, it picked up when you just rolled on the throttle.
Oh, I like that a lot.
Yeah. I mean, I think these look better than the FZ and MTs, so. And you have all the benefits of like the geometry changes and or the suspension changes and everything as well.
There wasn't anything I didn't like.
Yeah. You want to take mine for a spin? Just compare it to the
Yeah.
to the 9? All right, hop on it. I'll get this put away and everything.
All right.
Keys on it.
I'll do the same.
Same loop if you want to, yeah.